Welcome to 20x Gadgets. We use Google Chrome in our life every day. Make sure you watch the video till end so you can understand better. Today in this tutorial we're gonna see top 15 Chrome features and setting. Chrome is an open source project. If you're a developer, you can submit your fixes and contribution to the chromium.org. So let's talk about the top 15 Chrome tips and tricks. Groups of tabs. So we can click Control plus, we can click the tabs and we can right click, add to the new tab. This is new tab, so we can choose the color and then it's done. So what is the benefit? If we have so many tabs open, we don't have enough space to see what other tabs are open. So if the tabs are grouped, we can expand and we can collapse and we can ungroup as well. Let's talk about the second tip of the Google Chrome. Pin the tab by clicking on the right click and we can pin it. It will only show the website icon and it won't show the title of the site which was showing before. Tip number 4, send tabs to the phone. If you're connected to the same Gmail account on your phone and in the window, you can actually click the tab and you can send to the phone. So if I send to my Samsung phone, it's actually sending, you can see, and I have received this the whole page on my phone. So then I can click and see the whole thing again. Tip number 5, startup sites. You can actually put a heavy load on the Google Chrome by going to the settings, startup. On startup, you can continue where you left or you can open a specific page. So right now I opening google.com.my. So if I can put any other website, whenever I launch my Google Chrome, it will go to that site. So right now I put open a new tab. Whenever I click, it will open an empty new tab, so then I can do a search. Tip number 6, press tab to search YouTube videos. For example, youtube.com. You can click search YouTube, then you can say how to block all ads on Android. Then you can see it will search the site by using our query. Then we can see all those results are here. Tip number 7, task manager in Google Chrome. Actually same like window, we can see the task manager. We can go to more tools, then you can click task manager and you can see what are the tasks running in Google Chrome. If I don't like something, for example I don't like this, end process, you can click end process, then it will end the process. Tip number 9, Google Chrome URLs. These are the Chrome URLs. We have access to these, but we don't usually use all of these. So some of them we will be testing how we can directly go to the specific setting without going and clicking on the setting and then finding out where is it. For example, I want to go to the history. I can simply put history, then it will take me to my history. If I want to see my downloads, I can simply click downloads. If I want to see my extensions, I can click extensions and I can see here. Tip number 10, move multiple tabs. You can click right control plus click the tabs and then you can move the sides from left to right and wherever I want. Tip number 11, autofills. Autofills allow us to put our setting, go to the setting, go to autofills, go to either you can put your password, your payment method, or for example address. I can add a new address. So you can see the new address is added. Whenever I open any other website where it's asking the address, the Google Chrome will recommend me to click this and this address will be autofilled in the site. Tip number 12, prompt show notification. whenever we go to any other website, is showing us to allow to show the notification. We can actually go to the settings, then we can go to the privacy and security, then we can go to the site settings. Here we can see all those permissions are enabled to the sites. Tip number 13, Chrome keyboard shortcuts. Whenever we want to open a new tab, you can press Ctrl Shift N and it will open a new incognito tab. If we want to move to from one tab to another one without using our mouse, we can click Ctrl 1 2 3, so it will move the tab. Another important feature of the Google Chrome is the security check. Actually, when some sites or data breached, then you can actually go into the setting, go to the safety check, then you can check now. It will check all your passwords, your safe browsing extensions, to make sure that your data is not stolen by someone. Tip number 15 is the Google engine. Actually, Google Chrome allow us to change our search engine. We can go to the settings, we can go to search engine, we can put the Google search engine as default, or we can change to Yahoo, or we can change to Bing. You can see the tabs are loaded in Bing. This is for today. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe this channel so we can make more videos. If you have any suggestion, if you need any information regarding the technical part, you can always email us or you can comment below so we can make a new video on that topic.